COVID has taught us a lot of lessons. Formerly, about 98-99% of all our sales are in institutional sales. But we've realized that with COVID, we have to get more to the consumer. The vision of Yedent is to become a premier food fortificant company, and our brands eating in at least 1 out of every 4 homes in Ghana and beyond. We've had a couple of challenges that has really been ameliorated or resolved through partnership and stakeholder collaborations. One that is current and that stands out is our supply chain partnerships with WISHH. In 2016, after the consummation of the partnership, 5 things has really emerged that has really helped our business up today. First, trade promotion. 2, technical assistance. 3, training. 4, research, knowledge advancement, and giving us world platform through the World Food Prize and all to be able to communicate what can be done from this part of the world. We want to continue this partnership, this supply chain partnership, to get more products developed, to get enhanced trade between us and the US. So the WISHH ASA partnership has been excellent in helping us develop products, get the products to the market, supporting us in a number of ways, establishing our laboratories, and also helping us be there to be able to support the poultry industry in this country. For the first time in this country, through our collaboration with WISHH, you have the promotion of soy, flour, fortified bread. Through this collaboration, there was some training that was given to Soteria.
We have a big problem, which is protein deficiency, but we have an even bigger problem, which is no money to afford the protein. So the question comes, how do you come about with sources of protein that individuals can afford in the country or on the continent at large? And it comes to plant source protein. Soya bean comes in to say, yes, I'm plant-based, but I'm also giving you a complete protein. I attended the Cochrane Fellowship Program in 2018 in the United States. What I learned from the fellowship about school meals and nutrition, we were able to come back to Ghana and work on a very interesting and intensive but rewarding training for the caterers and the cooks that are enrolled in the Ghana School Feeding Program. The Yedent team came up with a way to get TSP to mimic the taste of meat. So we have our local spices, our onions, our garlic, our ginger, all of that. We blend it and we sort of marinate the TSP like the way we would do for meat.
The product that we use for the Ghana School Feeding Program, the texturized soy product, it's a product that the knowledge of getting it produced was promoted by WISHH. The World Food Program has asked us to use some technology. That technology is the extrusion technology. And they also expect us to enhance our quality assessment as well as our laboratory. So we are set, they'll come for the final audit to validate everything that has been done. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is sponsoring the Obasima logo in Ghana. And what is the Obasima logo? The Obasima logo is a logo that are licensed to companies on their products to indicate that those products contain some 18 minerals and vitamins that is good for human health and help build the immunity of consumers.
I see the promise in the food industry at large in Ghana. I really see great promise for Yedent because the farmers are bringing good quality products to us using our agro processing knowledge and the demand for processed foods. We are getting some market.
I supplied Yedent with 10,000 bags of soya bean and 15,000 bags of maize every year. They provided us with moisture meters to test the moisture of the grains like the soya and then the maize before we send it to Yedent, and then they give us order to supply. Yedent, they improve my business a lot. In the first place, I have ready market as farmer whenever I produce. In the second place, it also helped my smallholder farmers to increase the number of acreages that they do every year. Last year, Yedent brought 2 shellers for us to give to our smallholder farmers. The sheller help us in so many ways to get good quality grains because the women used to beat the soya on the ground. Because they have brought these shellers, it helped us to reduce the number of stones that are found in the soya bean. We will be able to get good quality grains for Yedent.
The poultry industry has also received some massive boost through the WISHH Amplifiers program in Ghana. And they all bring their feed for us to test here. And we also make available to them good quality processed full fat soy and soybean meal.
My relationship with Yedent started one day we were having a stakeholder meeting and I attended. They highlighted on their soya meal, that is their SBM. When I started using SBM, it increased my production, the egg sizes, the quality of eggshells, everything improved. So I went into contract with them. It's helping me a lot. Egg consumption too has gone up. After egg eating campaign with the amplifiers, we've had a lot of education to the public.
These are times that business owners and entrepreneurs, especially food businesses, have to sit back and rethink through our product development and rethink through our distribution strategies as well as our marketing strategies. I believe and have no iota of doubt in my mind that COVID has awakened every soul and spirit and body to indicate that these are times for people to eat healthy. Thomas Edison once said, he said the doctors of yesterday and today are treating with medicine, but the doctors of the future will treat the human body and the human frame with food and nutrition. And so if we are in the food and nutrition industry, then how do we position ourselves for the future? And I think that we going back to the drawing board to look at our product developments that have a lot of protein in it, has a couple of vitamins and minerals and fortification, and being able to price the product for the masses of our people will not only do our businesses good, but also do humanity good.